Welcome. Today we're going to talk about VAL-CO's Turkey Bell Drinker. We're going to put this on the assembly line. When you get this assembly, it's going to come in sub-assemblies. You're going to get the valve, the bell drinker, the tube, the barb nipple, and the hanger. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the valve and you're going to screw it into the bell drinker about 2 or 3 turns, just so that the threads are engaged and you can feel the spring action. And then we'll take this over to the water line and hang it up. Okay, the first thing you're going to do to hang your bell drinker is to put your hook through the S coupler. Then we'll fish the 2 hooks through the eyelet. First one, squeeze this together and slide the second one through. This allows your bell drinker to swing in any direction so that when the birds hit it, they don't do any damage to themselves or the drinker. The next step is to install the barb nipple into the drinker line, and I'll use the VAL-CO install tool. We'll just slide that in there, do a quarter turn till it clicks, and then that is in place. Then you can trim your hose to whatever length you need. I'm not going to trim this one right now. We'll just slide that on here, slide it onto the drinker valve. I'm going to do this on the table because it's easier to see and explain. But while it's hanging and you have water supply on, what we're going to do is we're just going to hold the adjuster nut, and then we're going to spin the bowl counterclockwise just until the water starts to run. And then we're going to let it settle and measure the water in the bowl. If the bowl's less than a ½ inch, you're going to let it. You're going to want to adjust a little bit more counterclockwise. You want your water level between a ½ inch and an 1¼ inch. Once you have that water level where you want it, you can take the green lock nut, and while you're holding the adjuster nut, just turn this down until that locks in place, and then you should be all set.